Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you image background remover tool that I think that is really good. And the best thing about it that it's absolutely free. So I've come across it and I've tested out and I think that it's really good to use and I want to share that with you. And this is the ezremove, right? So all you have to do is head over to ezremove.ai. And if you have your images, you can just simply click and upload or you can drag and drop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly choose an image right here and just remove the background. So let's take this baby here. I'm going to drag it onto this ezremove. And as you can see, once I select it, it's going to have the before and after. So it's going to quickly remove the background for me. And as you can see, you can have the option at the bottom is to re-upload and even to download the image once that is done. And that's really it, guys. So here you can see that it gives the image without the background. What I really like about this background remover, that not only does it give you the option to remove the background, but if you want to change it, you can as well. Here it shows change background. So if you want to do that as well, you can choose to change the background to a color of your choice. If I want to put it right there, or I want to do something like this or blue, or whatever it is that you want, you can easily go ahead and choose something of your choice. And that's really it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once you do, click and done, and you can hit download and you'll be able to download your new image with the new background or without the background if you just want to remove the background. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.